Nothing compares to the taste of fresh salsa. And when you use your Vitamix to chop all this great produce, it's a lot faster than doing the work by hand. First, we're going to add a medium onion that's been diced, 1 seeded and split jalapeno pepper, a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro leaves, the juice from half a fresh lemon or lime, half a teaspoon of salt. And if you like a spicier salsa, you can leave the seeds and add the jalapeno whole, seeds and all. This recipe also calls for 6 ripe Roma tomatoes that have been cut into quarters. We're going to add 6 of those tomato quarters to the container now, and then set the rest aside. We'll come back to them in a minute. Always add the ingredients in the order they're listed in the Vitamix recipe to get the best results. We're going to put the lid on, set the machine to variable 5, and pulse 2 times. Using the pulse feature here helps you avoid over-processing. Giving the mixture a couple quick pulses will incorporate all the ingredients. At this point, we're ready to add the rest of the tomato quarters, and we're going to pulse them just until we get the consistency that we're looking for. This part should take about 5 pulses. And you see that it's still nice and chunky. Be sure to have the tamper handy too in case you need to push down any large chunks of tomatoes or pepper. Adding the tomatoes in 2 batches creates just the right mix of fresh juice. Plus, small and large chunks of tomato make for the perfectly textured, authentic salsa every time. Serve this salsa with tortilla chips or use it to top off grilled meats and fish.